Welcome to our channel, guys.
Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. We are cooking our dinner with pork adobo using this classic. This is McCormick adobo classic. First time try. This is ito siya. Ito siya guys. Ito siya guys. Ayan si Ashley. Apa. And then baba daw ang potato with kaya na siya. Ipot 3. Ipot. Bumaklaro. Gikuan niya. Gisote niya. Giyot na siya. First, you put oil. Oil and then put the meat. Boil?
Yeah, put the meat.
Only put the meat and then wait for...
No, it's a little like this.
It's a little like this. It's a little like this. Maybe
Yeah.
just a little bit, huh?
Look,
Yeah, guys. Okay. While waiting, guys, kuha tayo ng salain. So, sala the potato.
yeah.
And then, we make it patulot-tulot for the tubig is mawala-wala. And then, guys, basa-basa at the back of the sachet. And now, you can put the onion and mix it well. Sometimes when we touch. Some people want it all, but I just... She said it's her style to put onion next to the meat. It's up to you guys, whatever you want. Okay, there's no law of cooking. You can invent whatever and make taste it. You can taste it na guys, even though hindi pa siya naluto.
Add a little salt.
Guys, may tummy siya. Are you preggy?
Yeah, I'm very full. I want to be pretty.
Yeah, guys.
I'm bringing.
Ano guys? She wish to have a baby, but that's why she will buy. My God. Oh, I have something to tell you. Potato.
Sabi mo na. Dilute this. Yan, ihalo-halo mo ang halo-halo.
Oh, yummers. Gosh.
Now we put the adobo mix.
Now it's time to put the... Yan yung ano guys, sinunaw niya. Tinignan niya at natututunaw sa tingin. Natunaw sa
Yes.
tingin. Okay. Ano siya guys? Yan na siya. Shimmy. Some, a little bit of flour for to make it a little bit sticky.
Only my style.
Only her style. Okay. What's the style? Invento style.
Kailangan kumain ka ng ganito.
Okay, for you to get.
Yeah.
Okay. Guys, kailangan talaga meron kayong mug kung magluto kayo ng ganito. Then you should mix it. Mimi. Namin at iyan na nga siya.
Joke lang.
No, it's a joke. Joke lang only. We're not that. Okay.
Aslam siya.
Aslam siya, guys.
Agad lang. Ano ba na adobo?
Nagisa aki anong adobo.
Ano siya?
Lami siya.
Ano?
Ano ka sukal?
Kanan? Suka?
Askan lagi.
Then, that's the style. Kailangan siya ng sugar. Ganun yun lang ang sugar. Pampalasa lang yan. Okay?
Tapos kailangan pag maglagay kayo ng kuan na, guys. Kamay hindi. Mas masarap daw pag kinakamay, guys.
Oh, yeah?
Ito. Magazine.
Buti, sabon.
Yeah.
Ikaw may balak. Kumay naman.
Hindi na tuyuhan. That's
Ano na ako? You marinate. You have to marinate your meat first. Based on my experience. Hilang.
ano ikarot?
Kahit sabon. Yan. Waiting. Self-finishing.
Okay na?
Scar. Katitin mo.
Yan lang, guys. Okay na? So much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment. Thank you.